your love now. Don't think you can change the world. Don't change it, don't change it. All these bricks don't pay.
Promise to the 6 pants lift that smarty. Me no need company. My Glock got bodies. Put the bodies up, put the cups on. Don't talk to my boy, get to.
Let me lift the care. Why this me and think it's like me gonna left it for him decide. Black rain fall like no flash and split this guy.
Drive in, drive out, 5-0, no stop we. C40 cheat on up the I-beam. Girl pussy flood out fast.
Pussy you feel like that. Then on the pussy around me not wise. That only you makes you feel one vibe. Caribbean girl have a demon.
I'ma write my name across the world. Someday I'ma find my peace. Someday outside the
I'm a spliff off the light, all when me gone pan flight. And to how me drive the Benz light like bike. From a girl on me type, she have to scream tight tight. She
Complain says she sexually frustrated.
I must be a Italian when love give me connect.
The rent due plus my gal need her nails done. Now when the beam a move it a fuck up the ears drum. We do this shit for true, give a fuck with.
A informer and me no want feds take it from me. Clip wrap up in your chrome skin, louder than for them when you're talking. You're expensive.
I do can DJ better than Cartel. The two of them can write the similar type of song, but I do is a better deliverer, a man who can DJ better than Cartel. Yes.
Yes.
You can hear it. He has a better vocal. He can do better things with his voice. He never use auto-tune yet because he have that natural rich vocal.
Okay.
You understand? So him just never be that controversial and do the crazy thing what Cartel do. So he might not get that attention and he might not look that influential, but musically, I think him up on the level of Cartel.
Okay. Okay, well it's coming from Grandpa right here, so Granddad.
You know what I mean? Get expelled from Calabar, finish education at Tutorial College. Where the kids them and the fans of Cartel for know so right now education are the key, as we always been hearing. But anyway, we grew up in Waterford, you know what I mean?
Alright, why were you expelled from Cartel?
No, well it's just attendance and really behavioral pattern. It's not really like academically speaking, you know what I mean? Because
behavior?
Yeah.
You used to get trouble?
Not really trouble, you know, we're a person who question everything still, you know what I mean? Okay. So
you were asking too many questions?
Yeah, we just have
unjustified questions?
No, not unjustified, but maybe the manner, the delivery of the question, you know what I mean?
Okay, alright.
Straight, but an attendance still, because Cartel always go through the from high school days, you know what I mean? Going through the school uniform and thing, but just hanging around, because we wasn't really paying much attention at that time, but just catching a vibe and looking at the other artists, even the said Bounty Killer from them time days.
Go,